What's the meaning of conduct? Conduct. Conduct.
Conduct. Conduct. The word conduct can be used as a verb or a noun. As a verb, it means to organize, direct, or carry out a particular action or activity. As a noun, it refers to a person's behavior or manner of acting. The result of good conduct is that it can lead to positive outcomes, including increased trust and respect from others, better relationships, and opportunities for personal and professional growth. Conversely, poor conduct can lead to negative consequences such as loss of credibility, damaged reputation, and strained relationships with others.